Hey guys, we're back with another recipe from 30-minute paleo meals. Today we're going to do rosemary shrimp skewers. No picture, but there is the recipe. The first thing we're going to do is I got some rosemary. This was very hard to find. I had to go to multiple stores just to even find this. Rosemary twigs. And I only got 3 sturdy actual stems that are going to be able to hold shrimp on them. You're supposed to use these to cook them on, but I got some extra ones here because it says to use a pound of shrimp, and I don't know, I mean, you probably have to go to a local farmer's market to actually get, you know, the big ones. It says to use big ones, but this is as sturdy as I could get that, you know, an actual rosemary stem that was not flopping around or anything like that. So the first thing we're going to do is I cut up the leaves and chop those up, so that's what we have here. We're going to make the marinade now, so I'm going to move this over here, and we're going to take a large bowl. I've got a pound of shrimp in here, and then we're going to add garlic. So I've got chopped garlic already up here. 3 tablespoons of garlic. So pretty good chunk of garlic here. And then we're going to add in some lemon zest. So I've got some lemons here, and we're going to use the smaller side of this thing here and get the zest off of here. I just love the smell of this. I don't like lemons. I think I've said that before, but I'm not a tart girl. And I'm just going to, it didn't scrape off of there. That was not good. I should have probably used this side instead. Luckily I bought another lemon, so we'll just use this one for the juice. Mistake, don't use that side. It's not going to come through. So we'll try this side and see if this works. No, this side isn't working. Why is it not coming through? And I can't use this side, it's too big. Maybe I was using it the wrong way. A little bit came off that time. There's so much more of it right there on the thing. Luckily the zest is also added with a cup and a juice of 1 large lemon. So there we go. There's some of it. Not very much, but a little goes a long way with these lemons. Let me do a little bit more. I think there's enough in there now. I just feel like I should have gotten more than, there's more on this tool here than there is in this bowl, but. And then we're going to take one of these lemons and cut it. So, get the seeds out. I don't use the seeds. I'm just going to put them in a bowl here. Whew, I got a little sliver on my finger and that hurt. Oh, got another seed. Another seed. We don't want to make sure we don't get those in there. And then we're going to add olive oil next. See, this does more damage than the zest does. So, there we go. And then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I just got my olive oil from Costco here. It's actually supposed to be the better brand. It's the 100% Italian extra virgin olive oil. So it's Bobby approved. If you watch keto recipes of him going to the Costco, he says that's the best brand to get. And then we're going to mix in the rosemary. This smells fantastic. It smells so good. We're going to add in all this. Mix it to salt and pepper. Oh, my finger, it hurts. That lemon was not too kind on my finger. And then we're just going to move this around here. And then this has to marinate in the fridge. It says 3 minutes, but you know what? I'm going to do a little bit longer than that because I think the flavor really needs to be added in. So we'll be back in probably 30 minutes, maybe even longer than that. I can't tell you, but it does look really good. Smells really good, and then we'll move on with that. Okay guys, this is about probably an hour or so marinated. Now it says to take the skewers of these, the rosemary stems, and put 4, these are not sharp, it says to put 4 shrimp on here. Oh, I guess that didn't take too long to stick that through there. I'm going to try and put, really am trying to. I've got, I think 3 is all we're going to get on there. I could probably move this down a little bit more and try to put a 4th one on there. I forgot to grab a plate. Actually, I'll just put them right back on this plate here. So, I've got a little tray here I'm going to put them on, but there's the, on that stem, so that turned out really good. So here we go with the next one. Like I said, I got backup skewers because I didn't have strong enough rosemary stems to put the rest of these on. So I think these are going to taste really good. I've never had this much earthy, I mean, I've had shrimp before, but nothing to this flavor before, so we'll see how this turns out. One more. This one's not as a sturdy stem as those ones are, so we'll see how many fit on here. I'm surprised how well these are staying on here. It'll probably add quite a bit of flavor to the shrimp here. We're getting to that last one. I can barely get it on there. Okay, so there's that. So I'm going to keep doing this, adding the skewers to my shrimp to my skewers, and then we're going to put these on the oven and sear them. I'm going to wash my hands really quick. So we'll be back in a few seconds. Okay, now we're on the stove with a non-stick pan on medium-high heat, and we're going to put these on here for about 3 to 5 minutes on each side, just to sear them. Put my timer on. And then we'll check out, I'll let you see what it looks like after we put the, so you guys can kind of see it's a little sunny outside, so they look really good. There's a few more, but I will show you them after we get them seared. I'll probably bring you back on once we get the ones without the sticks. We'll photograph that one. Okay guys, so I have the rosemary in there with the, I just went ahead and poured in all of the stuff because the bottom of the pan was getting really brown. So these are the stems of the actual rosemary in there. It smells fantastic. That's just my timer telling me to take it out. So we'll test these really quickly. Let me get these out of the skillet here, and then we'll try them out. Very hot. I'm still so shocked how well those stems stayed sturdy. Turning this off. I'm gonna bring you guys back over here to the counter here where you can see a little bit better. I lost one of my football trays. I accidentally put it on the stove and it melted the bottom to the stove. Not a good deal, but doesn't this look amazing? It smells so good. So I think the way I'm going to taste test this is I'm going to test one that was on a wooden skewer compared to the actual rosemary stem. So we're going to try that right now. So here is one of these off of the actual wooden skewer. So let me see my face here. My hair is horrible today, by the way. Very fresh, lemony. You could definitely taste the lemon. It's pretty good. I like it a lot. Not a whole lot flavor, but now we're trying the one with the actual stem. A lot more rosemary flavor. A lot more earthy tone to it, but it tastes really good. Put this like on a cauliflower bed of rice or something like that, and they would taste really good. I don't know if you're actually supposed to eat the stem, but I'll have to have my husband try it out. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye.